What's up, my wonderful people, and welcome back to my channel. So my wonderful people, in today's video I shall be taking you around somewhere here in Owerri, Imo State of Nigeria. But before we proceed, if you are new here, my name is Nuella, and Nuelchuky is my little corner on YouTube world. I'm a content creator based right here in Old City, Owerri, Imo State of Nigeria. You're welcome on today's video. So friends, in today's video I shall be taking you around this very estate. It's located here at Irete, Owerri. This place you see beautiful buildings, but the problem they have here is bad road. So we're calling on Imo State government to know what they can do about the bad roads here in Owerri. As you watch my videos, as you watch this very video, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, all you have to do is to hit on the red icon below written subscribe. And as you subscribe, friends, please don't forget to turn on your notification bell, so whenever I upload any video here, you'll be notified. And for my returning subscribers, thanks so much for always checking back. So my wonderful people that are watching my video for the first time here on this channel, we have a lot of things to offer you. Here we talk about love, marriage, cooking, road vlogs as we're doing right now. We vlog randomly in anything educative, entertaining, and motivational. So you encourage us by hitting on the red icon below written subscribe. And join this amazing family as we proceed on today's video. You can see buildings, a lot of beautiful buildings here. This place is called Irete. So let's proceed. Anything you think about this video, friends, please don't forget to drop it at the comment section. And also give this video a huge thumbs up. Share to your family and friends as we proceed. Excuse me. Excuse me. So friends, let us know what you think about this video. Honestly, this is not the kind of place you come with small car. Some vehicles might get stuck. Look at this beautiful building. My God. What bad road. So my wonderful people, if you've not subscribed, what are you still waiting for? Subscribe and turn on your notification bell. This place is called Irete. It's located here in the city of Owerri, Imo State of Nigeria. So my wonderful people, for you to have watched up to this point means you like my video. All you have to do is to subscribe by clicking on the red icon below, turn on your notification bell, so whenever I upload any video here, you will be notified. Thanks so much for watching thus far, guys. As I see you guys again in the next video. Thank you and remain blessed.